Alright, haven't flown this in a long time. UMX Timber. Way out of trim. Well, that's about maximum left aileron trim. There, she still won't fly straight. Gotta have a hitch in the get along there somewhere. Yeah, it's probably the smallest one I have that's running on the little 2-cell. I mean, a little bitty battery.
Yeah, I've got a fix in that battery.
You want to try it?
No, sir. Thanks anyway.
Something wrong with this one though this morning. Man, I had to. It's got full maximum left aileron trim, and it still drops the right wing. So I'm wondering if I ain't got a bind in it somewhere. Are you feeling better now that your meds are kicking in?
Yeah, feeling worse.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry, man.
Man, I take that and I don't want to be a complainer.
Well, sometimes it helps to vent.
I feel good, and then I take that, and about 20 minutes later, I'm lightheaded and queasy, so I got to wait for that to pass. So.
Well, he told you it'd take you about 10 days, though, right?
Yeah, he said about 6 weeks.
Oh, 6 weeks. Oh, wow.
I'm going on number 5.
Oh, okay.
I have to take it for a year.
Yeah, I got my follow-ups for the pacemaker on the 2nd of October, and the following week is the cardiologist, and I'm afraid he's going to want to do another angioplasty. I've been same symptoms, you know. Just get tired real easy.
Yeah.
And that's.
Well, that's it. Before I had my stents put in, I had the energy. I had, I could go all day long, sleep good at night. Now I work. I'm doing any kind of physical labor. And I go for about an hour and a half, and then I'm done.
Mine is like walking from here to the car, and I'm done. I mean, no energy, no, can't breathe. And so I'm thinking I got some blockage going on. Catch that, will you?
That's sweet.
That's just so fun.